The product of 314 and a number is x. Taking 49 away from x gives 2149. Find the number. See here, 314 if multiplied by a number. Now these two numbers are multiplied and then we get the answer as x. So if the number is n, capital N, then 314 multiplied by n equals to x. Now if 49 is taken away from x, means x minus 49, it gives 2149. So we have to find out x now. Take 49 on the other side, it becomes plus. So x equals to 2149 plus 49 equals to 2198. Now this 2198, take it to this side, this x, it becomes 314 multiplied by n equals to 2198. We have to find out n. How to find out n now? Keep n on the left side and take everything else on the right side. Now 314 goes on the right side, this is multiply, so it becomes divide. So n equals to 2198 divided by 314, and then the